here as trash. So here's the console, and this is what's inside, which I pretty much figured, some low grade. This one here though is interesting, this board here. Looks to have quite a bit of gold on it. And the LCD screen here, I'm going to open this up, and there's probably going to be a nice little board in there too from what I see. Got a nice little fan here, so another whatchamacallit, a copper bearing motor, quite a bit of wire, some speakers here. I'm not sure what could be done with the speakers. They might be able, someone might be able to use them for something, but I haven't scrapped speakers in a long time, so I'm not sure what could be done with them scrap wise. If someone would like to share that information, that would be wonderful. So let's take out this big chunk of plastic off of all the fun stuff. And at the end of the video, I decided to just show you guys what everything weighs after I take everything apart. So here's the LCD screen. Not sure if this thing is actually worth anything, but I don't even know if it works, so I don't like selling things that I can't at least partially test. So, a few more screws here. We'll get to see the board on the LCD screen. Well, this is interesting. That's some USB ports here. I think this might have been a port for an HDMI connection. A micro SD here. It's quite nice. I think this could be used for different things. Like I said, unfortunately I can't test it, so I don't feel comfortable selling things I can't test. There you go. So like I said, there's a nice little board here with the LCD. A little bit of wire. These in here definitely have gold. Some gold on the actual board. Gold in the connectors. Even a little bit of copper here. A little copper sheet. Another gold connector here. Some kind of Wi-Fi connection. I guess it has some kind of Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity.